Hello, and welcome to Health is Wealth. We are thrilled to have you here as we explore practical tips and insights for a healthier and happier life. Whether you're looking to boost your blood health, detoxify naturally, or simply improve your overall well-being, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's embark on this journey to a healthier you together. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush toxins out of your system and supports proper blood circulation. Fiber-rich foods. Fiber helps remove waste and toxins from your digestive system, preventing them from entering your bloodstream. Include foods like oats, beans, and vegetables in your diet. Herbal teas. Certain herbal teas like dandelion, burdock root, and ginger can support liver and kidney function, which are crucial for blood detoxification. Exercise regularly. Physical activity promotes circulation and can help the body eliminate waste products through sweating. Blood-boosting foods. Foods rich in iron, vitamin B12, and folate, like leafy greens, lean meats, and fortified cereals, can help maintain healthy blood cells. Chlorophyll-rich foods. Chlorophyll, found in green vegetables like spinach, kale, and wheatgrass, is believed to help detoxify the blood and promote healthy red blood cell production. Lymphatic massage. A lymphatic massage focuses on stimulating the lymphatic system, which can assist in removing waste and toxins from the body. Consider seeing a trained therapist for this type of massage. Fasting. Intermittent fasting or occasional full-day fasts may support detoxification by allowing your body's natural cleansing processes to work more efficiently. Regular bowel movements. Maintaining regular bowel movements is important for eliminating waste and toxins from the digestive system. Plant-based meals. Incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet can provide a wide range of nutrients and support a healthier blood profile. Thank you so much for joining me today on Health is Wealth. I hope you found the information in this video helpful on your path to better health. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care, stay healthy, and be well. Goodbye. Blood.